touch it with your attention softly, openly, and then sadness becomes a teacher. So does fear. You can be the victim of fear, or you can turn toward it. Bring the same attention that you learn in meditation, and you begin to explore, you inquire, and fear becomes a teacher. Wherever there's a limitation in our capacity to love, it's because of fear. So fear becomes the ally of love, because if I can't get closer to you because I'm afraid I'll be suffocated, afraid I'll lose myself, afraid you won't like me, or then fear has stopped me. Okay. And if fear doesn't stop me, then love is deeper. Love becomes more complete, more intimate. So now, going back to the flute and the notion of just live. We're going to share with you for this next hour and 45 minutes or whatever is left. Listen to this piece of music, if it'll still work. Because you were listening to an Indian flute, which has a chromatic scale of 13 notes, and it was a single instrument, and he had to, or she had to go because there had to be a contrast. There had to be a contrast of rhythm. There had to be a contrast of intensity. Sometimes the notes go, sometimes the notes are. Now here, listen, please. So this is a Western scale of only 8 notes. This is a piece of music composed by a man named Pachelbel, who was the court musician to Henry VIII in England. But he was Dutch. So close your eyes and feel this. East meeting west.